Hey Liam, what are we doing today?
Racing!
Roadside in our playground, and we're gonna have these trains come around this corner and race and have a big fall down this avalanche steep snow pile we built. Thomas versus another Thomas, old Trackmaster. You ready to go down? Oh, that's right.
Mark's gonna go.
Go! Here they come around the corner. What's gonna happen? Oh, Thomas! Oh, just falls just short, and that Thomas. I think we're gonna have to make this a bit deeper.
And Mark's gets it. Go!
Go! And they're off. Here we are on the other side. Here comes Mavis just beating Diesel 10. Will Mavis come down the hill? Oh! Diesel 10. Whoosh! Oh, almost still went there for a little bit. Percy seems like he wants to get in some snow. How's Thomas doing over there?
And Mark gets it. Go!
Go! And they're off. I think Percy is well in the lead. What's going to happen when he falls off? Whoosh!
And Thomas.
Here comes Thomas. How big of a spill is he going to have?
Yeah.
Oh, he's just going slow. That sped him up. Scarloey. Donald, are we ready to go?
And Mark gets it. Go!
Go! Here on the other side, here comes Donald. Fast. Scarloey coming up here. What's Donald going to do? Oh! Whoa, good fall. And Scarloey comes tumbling down. Look at that hill. That's huge. Chocolate covered Percy. Salty, are you ready?
Yes. And Mark's gets it. Go!
Go! But who's going to win? Oh, this is a close one. Looks like Salty. Finally, Salty. Oh! Oh! And chocolate covered Percy. That was a good race. They both landed on their reels. Oh yeah, they're still going. Look at Salty. Then we got Scarloey in the snow. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
He's coming around the track. They're having a great snow day here. But oh, what's this? Snow tunnel.
Yeah.
Do you think he's going to make it through the snow tunnel?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. There he is. Oh, just gets trapped up a bit. Scarloey. We could do all day with this snow tunnel business. No, not a bother for me. This is going to be a right busy track here. Here's Scarloey coming around the corner. I love snow day. Oh, we got lots coming out here. Chocolate covered Percy coming out. Salty. Will he take it? Oh, here's Donald. Hard on his tail. At least Scarloey isn't trying to catch up. Scarloey trying to catch up now. There's nice snow on the track. What's going to happen? Donald shutting that snow off. Nice work, Donald. Much better than his brother Douglas.
How did Scarloey get all messy?
It's just snow. Snow gets everywhere. Isn't that right, Salty? Oh, I do like to live beside the snow side. Thomas Bombus, chuffed on the wall. Thomas Bombus had a great, whoa! Oh, Thomas.
I mean, look at Scarloey.
Scarloey just pushed off the track now. Let's get him back on right after Salty here.
Look,
This ice seems to be taking its toll on these engines. Let's get Thomas on board.
yeah.
Oh, Thomas is going to have some tough. Oh! Whoa, what happened there? Chocolate covered Percy trying to help out Donald.
I threw a snowball.
Oh, it looks like Scarloey caught it though. Wow. Wow, you got Thomas good.
Stop, I will give you a little nudge.
Yes, you will. Donald, come on, buddy.
I'm slipping.
Looks like Percy and Salty are making friends. Salty! Oh! Oh, Donald, what? Oh, that's way too much snow. Let's get that snow out of his way.
Stop.
There, oh, he's almost through. Coming around and, oh no, tragedy. Percy, where are you going, buddy? This is a one-way track and that one way is down.
Johnny, where do you want to go? Into the water.
Oh, Salty! Wow, he got buried. Look at that. That was a good fall.
Bye, Miss Salty.
Oh, you're pushing him in more?
Bye-bye.
Oh, where'd Salty go? Where'd Salty? Oh, Salty out of there?
Okay, I will.
There, turn. Wow, he got snowplowed. Salty, talk to us, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Salty, stop it.
Bye-bye.
No, stop it, Salty.
This time we fall off the ledge
Treat
again.
Diesel 10 like this, but not Salty. Come on. Salty, off to the races. I hope he doesn't fall down again. What do you think, he will? Don't do it, don't do it. Oh! Kerplunk, Salty.
Uh-oh, Thomas is so hard.
I think so. I think he's gonna come down. Oh, right into Salty, Thomas. What's going on? Percy, chocolate covered. I think the snow's getting to his engine. Listen to him howl. Wow, is he loud. Oh, right into Salty again. Salty.
Here you go, buddy.
Oh, wow.
I want to go. I want to go slow. Excuse me, buddy. So it's right in the snow.
Oh, Scarloi's turn. These narrow gauge engines are the best, in my opinion. They are wonderful because of them. Don't fall. Oh, but he makes it past them. Look at that spinning snow wheel.
On your marks, does it go?
Go! Here's Thomas coming around and all the way down. Diesel 10, where are you?
Barricades.
Woo! Oh, uneventful Diesel 10.
Motor going on this thing.
Shoof. Oh, he'll be coming around the mountain when he comes. Hey, look at this guy. Go, go, Thomas. Hey, look at this, right around the snow pile. What do you figure, Thomas? Are you just chuffing along? Whoop. We'll be chuffing around this mountain. Liam, you're up there. I think you're gonna be, what are you gonna be doing with your trains up there? Are you gonna be trying to drop them down and crashing us on this track?
Yeah.
All right, come on, Thomas. You can get past these guys. Try now. Go, go, go. You missed me. Thomas has made it safely across. It looks like Donald and Scarloey. Oh, that was a good fall, though. As long as Tom, oh! Okay, we're gonna see if Mavis can get past these guys. Try now, William. This is gonna be close. We're gonna see what happens here. I think this is gonna be really close. Oh, direct hit. Direct hit. Salty takes out Mavis. Coming down the snow pile. Oh, even Daddy's falling on the snow pile. Looks like Freddy is just twitching up top, though. Oh, little help from his friends, and everyone's on the tracks. Okay, Liam. Oh, wow, he's loud. I'd try it now if I were you, buddy. Chocolate covered Percy coming around. It looks like we got Donald and Freddy. What's gonna happen here? Oh, he's trapped up. What happened? Oh, Donald. For Percy time. Let's see if Percy McGursey can get past here. That was a lot of fun, that last one. Try it now, William. Oh, we're gonna see what happens. We got chocolate covered Percy and Salty. Oh, Salty. Ow. Miss, and Percy keeps going. Yeah. Percy. Delivering the mail on track and on time. Nothing can stop him now, except for the end of the track. Oh. All right, party time, Scarloey. Liam, I'd try it now if I were you. He's coming around the mountain. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh, Thomas flies over and kept going for a little bit. Percy causes an avalanche on the tracks. We're gonna need to get, I don't know, snow shovels in here? You ever notice that Henry gets into more trouble than he gets his friends out of? Party time, Scarloey. Lot to celebrate here unless he falls off the edge. I'm gonna try to be trickster this time. We're using a really slow engine Diesel 10. So maybe he'll just be able to sneak past. Okay, William. Oh, Diesel 10 falls off without even help. Been back on track and on time, but oh no, Rheneas. Oh, they had double Rheneases, but neither of them. Double Scarloeys?
Yes.
Are you sure? You're sure? Diesel 10 Not feeling the warmth here. He's going to the diesel works. One-way ticket, I'm afraid. Okay, here's Mavis. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Okay, Liam. Mavis. Will she get hung up on the snow? Nothing seems to stop her. Oh, Thomas just misses. Diesel 10. Oh, Diesel 10 doesn't hit her, but manages to stop her with the avalanche.
Yeah.
Oh, but she takes herself out. All done with Mavis. This Thomas is fast. We have Thomas and Percy coming after him. We'll see what happens. Oh, they fell off to the side. We started a little too slow. This Thomas is really fast. Do you want to try this guy again?
Yeah, up at 5.
Oof. Then we're going to try this Thomas now. This one's the slower one of the two, I believe. We got Thomas and Percy. Oh, they started in front of him. As this Thomas comes by, we're going to go. Come on, those guys, it's going to be close. Oh, very close. Oh, on either side, will Percy derail him? No. It's getting harder. We had some luck in the first little bit, but this Thomas is just falling. I can hear those Thomases coming. Let's see if Percy will survive. Oh, he's trapped. Oh, he got trapped and Thomas took him out. So it's for you, Percy McGursey. Here's Donald. Are you ready, Liam? Let's go. Donald coming around. We got the two diesels. Mavis, Salty. Let's see what happens. Oh, Donald seems to get stuck. And oh, here's another one of Dad's favorites. Mavis. Okay, Liam. We're going to have Percy and Percy try this now. Let's see if Mavis can survive this steep track. Oh, she negotiates it well. Will any of the Percys be able to take her out? One of those popular diesels. Oh, just short on that side, on the other side. Oh, chocolate covered Percy needs a push to fail.
She's coming around the mountain when she comes. This is no way to a mountain.
Ooh, Mavis.
Hey, this is no way to a mountain. This is a...
We're just destroying things today. This is terrible.
I hope
Oh no, not Mavis, not Mavis. Oh, whoa, Mavis. Splitsville for you, Mavis. Ouch.